Okay, so we're in here cooking, and yeah, you guys, if you already saw my other video, you already see the small kitchen space that I am dealing with. Chopping up some onion. I love it when he cooks for me, y'all. I do. Chopping up some onion, and we got some Piedmont. Piedmont is like peppers, and we have some tomatoes over in the sink. Cauliflower. No, you call it broccoli or cauliflower? Oh, so that's the thing.
Non, ça dit artichaut.
No, not artichoke.
It's not no, so that broccoli or artichaut.
We call it cauliflower, baby. So we're over here all the time figuring out this language thing.
Chou-fleur.
Chou-fleur. So you pull it out the garbage can to show me the package. It's called what now? Chou-fleur?
Chou-fleur.
Chou-fleur. Okay. Chou-fleur. Okay, so so this taught me something I didn't know, because chou-fleur apparently is cauliflower in English. Chou-fleur. Yeah, listen, my French is bad, and he speaks to me. We mainly over here communicating in Franglish. Franglish, right? Franglish, because yeah, try, exactly, Francais and English, sweetie. So yeah, so we over here cooking and whatever. So this is honey, that's bothering me. Let me take out that. Let me throw some of this stuff away. Hold. Okay, I had a 500 square foot kitchen. Now this was our house in Detroit. I only had 2 bedrooms. Okay, this is when my kids were small, but the kitchen alone was 500 square feet. We had a fireplace in the kitchen. I miss that kitchen. I promise you I do, because I got my little space over here, and y'all see the space is tight. It's tight. Tight. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and finish cooking the process. I'm gonna try to make some room of stuff, because this is really irritating me, and it's just stuff everywhere. And yeah, I'm the cleanup woman, okay? Because I gotta clean while we're cooking, because this irritates me. But yeah, so we're making some stuff. I'm gonna see. He's making this cauliflower dish for me. I'm not exactly sure how he's gonna make it, and we will see how it's gonna come out. Yeah, so we'll see. But he's got some onions, and he's sauteing the onions in grapeseed oil. He's got some pepper we're gonna chop up. We've got some leftover chicken, and what is this? Chicken and onions and tomatoes and couscous from yesterday. Oh, and the seasonings. Tonight's telling me he's asking me to season the stuff, so I gotta go. I'll talk to y'all later.